Let's make some mildly thick lemonade. Hey folks, I'm SimplyThick John and I like to thicken things. I have 4 ounces of lemonade here and I just added 1 dose from our pump and we're going to stir. While I'm stirring, let me tell you a little bit about mildly thick liquids. Mildly thick liquids are level 2 on the scale of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. These liquids will flow off a spoon. They're sippable. They pour quickly from a spoon but slower than thin drinks. Mild effort is required to drink this thickness through a standard bore straw. If thin drinks flow too fast or to be controlled safely, these mildly thick liquids will flow at a slightly slower rate. It may be suitable if tongue control is slightly reduced. We're going to test these using an International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative test method, wherein we put it in a syringe and we let it flow for 10 seconds. I'll show you that in a moment when it's done thickening. People use these thick liquids when they've been properly diagnosed and have seen a medical professional, and it's been found that a thickened liquid helps them and prevents them from choking or sending the liquid down the wrong pipe. It's very common for people who have dysphagia to be on mildly thick. This is probably more than half of the market, and that's what people end up with. So this is the tester I was telling you about. It is a special funnel that has 10 milliliters on here. We let it run and it should end up in here after 10 seconds in between levels 1 and 3. That's 4 to 8 milliliters left in the syringe. We get that filled, and then we let it run for 10 seconds, and then we'll see what we have. I love to do these single take videos so you can see. It's very easy and fast to make these. In less than 2 minutes, we have a properly thickened, mildly thick liquid, and no, this thickener doesn't affect the taste. Still tastes like lemonade. Please like and follow for more great mixing demos and information on the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative.